Hey, this is Naturally TC coming at you with this lock retwist video. This client, we started her locks a month ago, maybe a little over a month ago, maybe like 2 months. No, I think it's actually only been a month, guys. And we started them off with simple coils. We styled her hair, we coiled it and styled her hair. She kept it up where she didn't remove it for a couple of weeks, and then she let them down, and now she's back. And as you can see, the coils are still there. We do need to retwist, and so I'm gonna let you guys watch what I do. I'm actually gonna retwist it in style. She is preparing for her surprise baby shower on the next day. Like, I'm so glad I read the invite because I would have told it. And I really didn't know that she didn't know, but then I was like, she's not mentioning that she has a baby shower tomorrow. So I was like, I better be quiet. Then I went and reread the invitation, and yes, it is a surprise baby shower. I'm using straight aloe gel on her Loc Retwist, and as you can see, I'm going to just palm roll it and clip them. And then I will go back and style them once the entire head is dry. Sometimes I style the hair as I go, but then sometimes I'll twist it all entirely and then style it. It just depends on how good the locks are already in place. So yeah, please go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. I always welcome suggestions, even though some of y'all are so freaking negative. It's like ridiculous. Some people just be saying stuff just to be mean, and it's just super annoying. I am a stylist, not a loctician, yet I do care about my clients and I do care about their hair. So I welcome new suggestions, and I'm learning as I go, just like everybody else, especially y'all on YouTube trying to learn stuff from videos and then want to criticize people, but I digress. All right, y'all like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.